In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create a landing page in WordPress. A landing page is a specific web page designed with a clear and singular purpose to convert visitors into leads or customers. Unlike regular website pages with extensive navigation menus, landing pages usually have minimal navigation options to keep visitors focused on the primary goal. To create a landing page, we're going to be using the SeedProd plugin. SeedProd is a popular WordPress plugin used for creating landing pages. It allows website owners, marketers, and developers to design and customize these pages without the need for coding or web development skills. SeedProd enables users to design custom landing pages for various purposes, such as product launches, lead generation, event registration, etc. You can choose from various pre-designed templates or create your own from scratch. So in this video, you'll learn how to create a landing page using the SeedProd plugin. Before we start, we post WordPress-related videos regularly, so make sure you like this video and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get the new video updates. As you can see, this is the plugin site from where you can get or purchase SeedProd. Yes, it's a paid plugin. It's a drag-and-drop WordPress website builder which offers various features. You can see the pricing here. Once you're done purchasing the plugin, you'll get the license keys. After that, simply move to the WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Simply search for SeedProd, and this is the plugin that we're looking for. So simply click on Install Now. You can see the plugin rating as well as the compatibility with your WordPress version. Once installed, simply click on Activate. Now, let's get started with the plugin setup. Let's click on Get Started. And here you need to select what you want to set up. In our case, we're going to select Set up a marketing landing page. Once everything's in place here, click on Save and Continue. Coming next, here you can select various templates. And these are all sales templates that you can use. You can select this one for now, or you can select templates later as well. So for now, let's simply save and continue further. All the features have already been checked here, so simply click on Save and Continue. And as of now, I don't need these features, so I'll simply skip it. Now, again, hit Save and Continue, and we're good to go. Simply click on Finish Setup, and as you can see, we are here on the plugin's dashboard. Since we want to create a landing page, let's click on Set up a landing page here. And you can see various filters here that you can use for your templates. You can select from Coming Soon templates, Maintenance Mode, 404 pages, Sales, Webinar, etc. I'm creating a sales landing page, so we're going to go to Sales. And you can simply click on the templates to see previews. Once the template's selected, you need to give the page a name. And once you're done with that, click on Save and start editing the page. You can see this is the SeedProd editor where you can edit your template as per your need. You can customize the images, heading, everything over here. Every image can be changed here. In case you want to change this heading, you can simply select and replace it as you want. You can also go through its settings, and on the left, you can change the heading text. And just like this, it's so easy. You can set the text alignment from here, and you can even set the font size as per your needs. In case you want to change this button text over here, let's just click on it. Here you can edit the button text. You can even change the button subtext as well as enter the button link. You can also explore various other settings. In terms of the heading, click on this heading, and here you can explore its advanced settings. You can explore typography settings, where you can change the font. Configure font size, line height, letter spacing, etc. You can even set the alignment and style and adjust the letter case. You can see this is how easy it is. No development skills are needed for making the landing page now. Clicking on the image here, you can configure various image-related settings. You can find various image-related settings here to configure. Explore these options as per your needs. You can change the background color, background image, row width, etc. You can find various settings over here. Explore all as per your requirements. Now, in case you want to delete the row or section, then you can click on this respective delete option here. You can see that the row has been deleted. To undo it, you can click this undo option here. And you can see this image is added in the background, and now from here you can change the image. You can delete this block from here as well. You can now drag and drop a new block here. So I'm simply going to search for the video block here, and then drag and drop the video block here like this. Clicking on its settings, you can select the video type here. You can even add the video URL here as per your need. So let's go to YouTube, and I'm going to search for the fitness challenge. Let's just copy the video URL from here, and then paste it over here like this. You can set the video width. You can even set the alignment. You can switch between devices and check the page preview. Under Advanced Settings, you find the option to set the shadow. You can configure spacing as well. Set margins or padding as per your need. Now, by clicking on this icon over here, you can see page reviews. You can view the page layout by clicking on this icon over here, and you can collapse and expand sections as per your requirements. You can see the page has 3 sections, and you can navigate to those sections by clicking on the respective section over here. You can also add various blocks to this page. You just need to choose a row layout and then simply drag and drop the block to it. You can see one more section has been added here. In case you want to delete it, then click on the 3 dots here. Select Delete from the menu that appears. And in this way, you can delete a complete section. As soon as you click on a particular block, it'll be highlighted here. You can even change the position of various blocks from here by using drag and drop functionality. You can change the place of every block here. Everything's up to you. You can simply drag and drop rows to change their position as well. Now, let's add another section here and add a layout. You can select from various blocks here. Let's use a heading block. Simply drag and drop here like this. You can configure various settings here. For color settings, go to Advanced Settings, and here you can change the color of the heading. You can configure various advanced blocks and add those as well. You can add contact forms to your landing pages. You can also add a payment button by using drag and drop functionality. Under its settings, you can connect it through Stripe. You can also add a giveaway. You need to install the WordPress plugin for this, or you can select Giveaway from here as well. To configure global settings, you simply need to click here on Settings. Under Fonts, you can set fonts on a global level. You can select specific header fonts or body fonts as you need. Under Colors, you can set colors globally. You can set header colors, text colors, button colors, link colors, and background colors. You can select from the color palette here. Let's change a few colors over here. Once done, let's move to the background settings. You can see various settings over here. You can even add the video background. You can also add custom CSS to style your landing page. Now, once you're done with the design, let's move to Connect. You can connect to email marketing, but all features are only available with the Pro plan. So you can get the Pro plan and explore these features by seed prod. Moving next to page settings, you can edit various page-related settings over here. You can change the page title over here. You can edit the page URL over here as well. You can change the page status, and these are all the general settings. Moving next to SEO, you can install an all-in-one SEO plugin. Just a click and it'll be installed shortly. To edit this page's SEO setting, click on this button over here. Here you can add the page title, meta descriptions, and focus key phrase. Once you're done, let's move next to the Analytics tab. You can install Monster Insights for Analytics. Monster Insights provides a user-friendly dashboard within the WordPress admin panel, making it easier to access and understand your website's analytics data. Monster Insights simplifies the process of connecting your WordPress site to Google Analytics. It can track various metrics such as page views, user demographics, referral sources, and more. Moving next to scripts, here you can add various codes to the header, body, and footer as per the requirement. Now, once everything's in place, you can simply preview your landing page. You can see how beautiful the page looks. You can make it more creative using the features that SeedProd provides. Now you can simply click on the Save and select Publish. You can see the page is live now. And this is how easy it is to create a landing page in WordPress. Landing pages are a critical component of online marketing campaigns because they allow businesses to track and measure the success of their efforts in terms of conversions, whether that means generating leads, making sales, or achieving other specific goals. SeedProd offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop page builder, making it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. You don't need to be a developer or designer to create professional-looking landing pages. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.